Welcome to Srigandhi Maths Academy. SJ Srigandhi is here. In this video, we learn how to find the multiplication of two complex numbers. Let's see. Multiplication of two complex numbers. Students, in previous video, we learn how to add two complex numbers. Also, we see how to subtract two complex numbers. And also, we take a one part, that is equality of two complex numbers. Now, in standard 10 up to 10, okay, we add, we subtract, or we multiply the two real numbers. We know that how to add, how to subtract, how to multiply the two real numbers. But in this video, that is the standard 11th chapter, complex number. Okay, we see how to multiply the two complex numbers. Okay, let's see the method. For that, let Z1 equal to A plus IB and Z2 is equal to C plus ID be any two complex numbers. Be any two complex numbers. Be any two complex numbers. Then the multiplication of Z1 and Z2 is denoted by Z1 into Z2 and is given by Z1 into Z2 is equal to A plus IB into C plus ID. This is equal to A in bracket C plus ID plus IB in bracket C plus ID. This is equal to AC plus ADI plus BCI plus BDI square. This is equal to AC plus in bracket AD plus BC into I plus BD into minus 1. This is equal to AC minus BD plus AD plus BC into I. Therefore, Z1 into Z2 is equal to AC minus BD plus AD plus BC into I. Students, here see, we take Z1 equal to A plus IB and Z2 is equal to C plus ID be any two complex numbers. Then the multiplication of these two complex numbers is denoted by Z1 into Z2 and is given by Z1 into Z2 is equal to A plus IB into C plus ID. Okay, now we have to find the multiplication of these two complex numbers, A plus IB into C plus ID. Therefore, we multiply the real part into second bracket plus imaginary part of Z1 into second bracket, that is Z2. Clear? Therefore, here we multiply A into Z2 plus IB into Z2, that is C plus ID. Clear? Therefore, A into C is equal to AC plus A into ID is equal to ADI plus IB into C is BCI plus IB into ID is BDI square. Clear? Now AC plus, see here, ADI plus BCI. In these two terms we take I common. Okay, therefore remaining part we write in bracket. Therefore this is equal to AD plus BC into I plus BD into minus 1. We put here minus 1. Why? Because since we know that the value of I square is equal to minus 1. The value of I square is equal to minus 1. Therefore, in place of I square, we put minus 1. Clear? This is equal to AC plus BD. We take real part common. Okay, plus in second bracket, imaginary parts. Therefore, AC minus BD plus AD plus BC into I. Therefore, we get here Z1 into Z2 is equal to AC minus BD plus AD plus BC into I. This is the method of how to multiply the two complex numbers. Let we see one example depending on this concept, how to multiply the two complex numbers. See example, find z1 into z2 if z1 equal to 2 plus 3i, z2 equal to 3 minus 2i. We have to find the multiplication of these two complex numbers. We use the same method as seen in the previous. Clear? Let's see how to multiply this. Therefore solution, first we write down the given part, then we use the method. Clear? Therefore given z1 is equal to 2 plus 3i and z2 is equal to 3 minus 2i. Therefore we have z1 into z2 is equal to 2 plus 3i into 3 minus 2i. This is equal to 2 in bracket 3 minus 2i plus 3i in bracket 3 minus 2i. This is equal to 2 into 3 is 6 plus 2 into minus 2i is minus 4i plus 3i into 3 is plus 9i plus 3i into minus 2i plus 3 into minus 2 is minus 6 I into I square. This is equal to 6 minus 4i plus 9i, okay, minus 6 into minus 1 is equal to 6 minus 4i plus 9i is plus 5i minus 6 into minus 1 is plus 6. Now 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 plus 5i. Therefore we get z1 into z2 is equal to 12 plus 5i, where 12 is the real part, 5i is the imaginary part. Therefore we write hence z1 into z2, that is 2 plus 3i into 3 minus 2i is equal to 12 plus 5i. This is the product of these two complex numbers, z1 equal to 2 plus 3i and z2 equal to 3 minus 2i. We see this example, okay, in our method how to multiply two complex numbers. Okay, see, just multiply the two brackets, okay, in this manner. Clear? Thank you for watching the video.